Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Mallorca Under the Sun, and today I am down here in Palmanova on Easter weekend in April 2021. So later on in this video I will be showing you which major attraction has just opened up in Palmanova. So come on, let's start our walk on the far end of Son Matias Beach. Now I'm just coming up past the Olive Tree restaurant, and I'm really delighted to hear that over the Easter weekends they are completely booked out, which is really great to see. Now the Olive Tree, the people that own the Olive Tree are friends of mine, so I really do wish them all the very best of luck as we move into the spring. And for anyone that's interested as well, anyone on the island who have never heard of them, they're right at the far end of Son Matias Beach, with the best views, I would say, of Palmanova. So while I'm making this video, I just want to make it absolutely crystal clear that, as you can see, there are people on the beach lying out in the sunshine having a great time, and nobody's wearing masks because we do not have to. Now there was some news this week, and it was widely reported in the national press, well, in the international press, that mask wearing would be obligatory, but the government here in the Balearic Islands did do a U-turn. And in fact, we don't need to wear masks, so please, whatever you are reading on the internet, nobody here is wearing masks on the beach. We do not need to wear masks, and that is the end of the subject, for now at least. So one of the number one questions I get asked, whether it's through my Facebook group, which is called Mallorca Under the Sun as well, or in the comments, is whether the hotels or a particular hotel is actually going to be open. And I just want to make it clear actually now, while I'm making this walk around video, that we honestly do not have a clue what is going to open this summer. We don't know if there's going to be mass tourism. We don't know who's going to open. We don't know who's going to stay closed. But all I can say is there has to be tourism in some way on this island. Okay, so we're just coming up to this old pier here, and I see lots of padlocks have been attached to the railings. Now I have asked members in my Facebook group what these are for, because I have seen them before in London, and I do believe they are a declaration of love. So I can see quite a few here, they haven't moved. So I can see Glyn and Alexa, if that is you and you are watching this video, your padlock is still here, as are the hundreds of others as well. So there are other declarations of love that you can make if you're out here with your partner, and tying a padlock to the railings and chucking the key in the sea may not be the most environmentally friendly one, but there you go. Anyway, come on, let's keep going, let's keep walking around to Palmanova Beach on this beautiful Easter weekend. So we're just coming up to Il Chiringo restaurant here, which is also completely packed. Now this is a great little bar restaurant which is right on Palmanova Beach, and they serve fantastic Italian dishes and great tapas dishes as well, because it is Italian owned. But it looks like there's a great atmosphere in there today. And we're just coming up past as well now a kids' playground on the left hand side, just on the opposite side of Il Chiringo. Now this is a great place as well if you're leaving the beach for kids to come and play. And now I see some changes as well as we move into this area behind Palmanova Beach. And I can see we have a couple of ice cream shops open as well. I can see Yao Yao, which is a frozen yogurt takeaway. And also a little further up, a regular ice cream cafe as well, which serves waffles, ice cream and cocktails. And I'm pretty sure we'll be regulars down here this summer as well. I can pretty much guarantee it. And as you can see here as well, there are lots of residents out here enjoying the Easter weekend on the beach. And as of yet we can't see any sunbeds or umbrellas, which normally are put up around the 1st of May. Now we're just coming up to possibly Europe's best located McDonald's restaurant, because as you can see if I turn around, it does have amazing views across the beach all the way down. We have another kids climbing frame here, and then we're just coming up to some of the cutest clothes shops here in Palmanova. And this little trio of shops around here are great places to come and check out some great beach clothes as well, and they're really reasonably priced as well. It's kind of this Ibiza style fashion that you can pick up here. You can pick up some nice beach dresses, flip-flops, sandals, that kind of thing. Okay, so we're just going to keep walking down here because I'm now going to take you to an attraction which has just opened up for the summer, and I'm so excited to see that there's something actually open here in the resort, because there are so many things that have closed. So let's go there now. So we're just coming down past these beach shops here, turning off the main street. And we can see that Golf Fantasia is now open, which is brilliant because every time we've come past here over the winter it's of course been shut, but the chains have come off the gates and they've thrown the gates open, and now you can come in here with your family to enjoy a round of crazy golf. Okay, so let's head back to the main beach. And as you can see down here as well, it's really busy. It's really busy by my standards anyway. So we're just going to head up to the little walkway here, which I love walking around here in Palmanova, just because you get so many beautiful views of the coastline from up here. So let's quickly hit the steps. So as many of you know, this walkway does go all the way back round to Palmanova Beach, but it's just such a great place to come and get some really nice views of the coast around here. So I hope you enjoyed my walk around of Palmanova this Easter weekend. So please, if you enjoyed the video, please leave me a thumbs up or a comment below, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you many more videos from out here in Mallorca as we move into the summer. Okay, so until the next time, goodbye everyone, and I'll see you on the next video.